Patterns are where you breathe every certain amount of strokes. So if you're going to take 2 strokes per breath, that's a breathing pattern of 2. If you're going to take 3 strokes in between breaths, you're alternating sides now, that's a breathing pattern of 3. If you take 4 strokes between breaths, that's a breathing pattern of 4. And I don't let my swimmers go past 4. 4 is the maximum I let them stroke between breaths, because I don't want them holding their breath. That's not what swimming is about. It's about knowing how to breathe and when to breathe. When to breathe is on a pattern, and that pattern is regular. You want your body to know when it can anticipate the next breath to fuel your muscles with oxygen. So you don't want to hold your breath for more than 4 strokes at a time, because about that time is when your body uses up all the oxygen completely and your muscles will start to burn. So even a lap or 2 of 4 strokes per breath is going to make you way more tired than the same person next to you who did 2 strokes per breath. They're hardly holding their breath at all. They're having a much easier time than you. Okay? So, but beginners have a hard time breathing every 2 early on. Typically, I'll start them at 4, move them down into 3 or 2, and we'll skip 3 just because most adults already have a preferred side that they breathe on. So 2 or 4, which is an even number, will always land you on that preferred side. If you found this video helpful, splash that like button, subscribe to the channel for free, or consider becoming a member. Thank you to our members who make it possible for us to do this every month. Check out our merch over on the website and follow us on our other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for shorter clips and tips throughout the week. If you want your own lessons with me in person in Austin, Texas for 4 days, 2 hours each day, then email me right there. With that said, give a thumbs up emoji in the comments for Courtney and get ready to rock it.